remaining. So, let's tackle this problem. So we know that there's 10 members in the reading club, the divisor. And there's 31 books for them to share. Okay, so they give, so they may have extras. So they already know they might have extras. So basically, we know that they might have extras because there's 10 people. So if you just give out one book, you will have extras. So if you equally divide, you will have extra. Like, so remainder is 1. So 3 remainder 1. So if there's 3 books, 3 people. So let me break this down. The number of members that will not get books is one choice. The number of people that will not get books, and or the number of books left after sharing equally. So the remainder must be what? So if the remainder is members, so there's one person who did not get it, but 3 people did get it. That will not make sense because there's 10 members. But if there's 3 books for each person, and 1 book is remaining, that makes more sense, right? So yeah. Okay. Darren picked 25 flowers that he plans to divide. He plans to divide evenly into 3 vases. He will use as many flower per vases as he can, but he may have flowers left. Okay, so they say the same thing, but okay. So he knows he might have a remainder. So this is a division problem. 25. So he wants to divide evenly into 3 vases. Divide evenly into 3 vases. That's the key word for dividing. So 25 is the whole number that he's going to divide from. So that's the number right here. And the divisor is going to be 3. Okay, let's start this problem. So 3 and 2. So 3 and 2. So 3 is more than 2. So even if you put 1, nothing will happen. Put a 0, move to 25. So 25 now. So 3, 25. So okay, so you can count the multiples. So 3, you know that 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 3 times 6 is 18. But 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. So I think that's the closest we can get. So 3 times 4, sorry, not 3 times 4. 3 times 8 is the closest we can get. Because 8 is 24. I don't think so. Any next multiple is going to be 9, which is going to be 27. So, that's definitely not it. So we know that 8 is going to be the correct one. So 24. 1. Okay, so there's one remainder. Because, you know, that obviously 3 cannot go into 1. So, yeah. So we know that remainder from the first problem, 0 is nothing, so it doesn't really count. So you can just write normally 8. And remainder is 1. So there will be 1 flower without a vase. Sandra has 50 beads to make into 6 rings. Each ring will use the number of same number of beads. Sandra divides to see how many beads she can use in each ring. So, okay, so 50 divided by 6. So it's 8, and then she has a remainder of 2. So, in this case, what is the remainder? The number of extra rings Sandra will be able to make, or the number of beads that will be left after she makes a ring. So they said that she has 50 beads and she makes them into 6 rings. So each ring will have the same number of beads. So she divides them to see how much she would have in each ring. So she would have 8 in each ring. Because since she divided, she knows that she'll have 8 in each ring. And 2 will be remainder. So 2 will be the beads left over. Okay, so how I know that is because she says that she's going to divide to see how many beads she can put in each ring. So when she's finished dividing, the answer 8 is her answer. So she makes 8 beads in each ring. So it must be, the 2 must be the how many beads that she has extra after she makes all the rings. Okay, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.